Which national hero is on the $5 coin?
It's been $5?
Oh, you not spend the hero?
I think $5 should ask such a
$5. Hey Lab Squad, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shadi, and this week, as you can see, I'm not in the lab, I'm not at a hotel, but I am on the University of the West Indies campus in Jamaica. So this video is actually dedicated to our national heroes, and what I will be doing is trying to find out how much do Jamaicans know about their heroes. I will be going around and asking questions. I'll be asking 5 questions to be exact, and if they get 3 correct, they earn themselves $100 phone credit. And if you know the answers to the question, ensure that you leave them down below. Alright guys, so come on, let's go. Oh wait, of course, safety first. So let me transform. Let's go. Alright, so first question. How many national heroes, including the heroine, does Jamaica have?
6 heroes, 1 heroine.
Total of?
7.
Alright guys, that is correct. That is correct. Just need to get 2 more correct out of the 5. Name the 7 national heroes.
Alright, I'm listening to Jesus. So you have Nanny, which is a bit of heroine.
Yeah.
Marcus Garvey, Sam Sharp. Jesus, Sam Sharp already.
Yeah.
Why am I so bad at this? Oh, wait a minute, now man name? What am I name? What did match with Sam Sharp? But after the same name?
Yeah man, you know him, It a come.
Something garden. You don't say a garden.
Wait.
Something after the set of full name or
Yes. Yes. Alright, give me the other 2 then. Try.
Alright, Mr. Garden, I just leave it.
Mr. Alright, she said Mr. Garden, guys. Alright.
One more. Paul Bogle? Did you say Bogle already?
No, I never said Paul Bogle.
Oh, yeah, say it here.
One more? Yeah, man, 1 more today.
Bustamante?
Alexander Bustamante. Alright, guys, we're not being hard. Alright, next one. Who was the first national hero?
I'm fail history class.
No worries.
You can give me a hint?
Well, he was the first. Alright, you want me to ask a different one?
Yeah,
which national hero is on the $5 coin?
Jesus. Bustamante?
No. 1 more try.
I'm gonna deserve to use money after this.
Because you know, use $5, that is the problem.
Exactly.
Alright. Remember, you have 1 more question for us.
Alright, give me the
Alright, guys. Which money is Sam Sharp on? On it, easy.
See, I tell him I deserve to use money. But it's like a while ago.
Yeah.
A very while ago.
Yeah.
$10?
No, which money is Sam Sharp on? The $10?
Oh, money, Jamaican money?
Yeah, man, Jamaican currency. Which one of them?
Paper archive.
This is a paper archive. Alright, paper. May I get in?
Paper archive. Listen now.
Yeah.
I know the and I need up on the 5 days.
Yeah.
Alright.
She do a process of elimination, you know, guys.
I'm gonna take a very wild guess again and answer the
Guys, she got it correct. Sam Sharp is under $50. So which credit you want? Digital or live?
Digital.
Alright.
Marvelous.
Alright. So, who was the first national hero?
Marcus Garvey.
That is correct. Which national hero is on the $5 coin? No, Norman Manley. Which national hero was a Baptist deacon?
Norman Manley.
Paul Bogle.
Probably.
Alright, 2 more questions. Which national hero was born in St. Anne? Yes,
Buster.
Marcus Garvey. Last question.
Wrong.
Who is on the $1 coin?
Marcus Garvey.
Buster. You see, we finally get the Buster. Alright, thanks for trying. Do you hear? Alright, guys.
Alright, bless up.
Alright, guys. So we have our third contestant for the day. So let me just start off by saying, name all the national heroes and the heroine.
Okay. Bustamante.
Yes.
Nani.
Yes.
Norman Manley.
Yes.
And when name again? Sam Shaw.
Yes.
Paul Bogle.
Yes.
And whether one we do Sam Shaw already, right? And Norman Manley. And 2 more we do. When name again?
I'm not tell you.
Ed, they write up this, so they put up wrong. Marcus Garvey.
Yes.
And
Last one now. You must get the last one.
you must get the last one. The last one, no, Jesus.
Yeah, I forget this.
Yeah, I forget this. We do Norman Manley, right? When you let me something there.
Come.
You share something that you share.
No, and you share. But that, don't worry yourself no, because I ask you 5 questions, so you get 1. That's just 1. So I have 4 more questions for ask you.
Okay.
Alright. Which national hero was also a Baptist deacon?
Shamsha.
No, Paul Bogle. Paul Bogle was the Baptist deacon. Alright. Know yourself, so you're going to get them 3, you know. You're going to get them 3.
Alright.
Who is on the $1 coin?
And the one Bustamante.
Alright, you get that. Which national hero became a hero while he was alive?
While he was alive? Bustamante?
Yes, so just 1 more now, you know. 1 more. Which money is Sam Sharp on?
The $5,000.
No, the $50. Oh, how many the world confidence say I guess because you say 5 and me I say alright, just alright guys. Well you did good. Probably if I did ask you the question then with him. Alright. But thanks for trying.
Alright.
How many national heroes does Jamaica have?
When you say hero, you mean the man
And the woman and the heroine.
7.
7? Correct. Guys, if you try to get this far.
Yeah.
Alright. Which prime minister was also a hero?
Sir Alexander Bustamante.
No, so embrace. Alright. Which national hero was born in St. Anne?
Marcus Garvey. And
Yes!
I was born August 17th. Like
Just like
Marcus
him.
Garvey, I'm a dandy.
No, guys, him get the credit now. Let's see if
Yes,
him will get 5 out of 5. Him already get the 3 right.
Alright.
Who was the first national hero?
Marcus Garvey
Alright,
also.
but
Edward
think
Seaga made that possible.
No, guys, which national hero is on the $5 coin?
The $5, that's a
Yeah.
good one, but it is Norman Washington, man.
He got 5 out of 5. Alright, guys, which one you want? Did you sell our live?
Floor.
Alright. Hi guys, so do you want a chance to win $100 digital or flow credit?
Yes.
Alright, so I'll be asking you 5 questions about our national heroes and you just have to get 3 correct. Wait, a simple question. Who want to go first? Yeah, go first?
Yeah.
Alright. How many national heroes does Jamaica have?
7.
Yes! Alright, your question. Name the 7 national heroes.
Marcus Garvey.
Yeah.
Nani.
Yeah.
Paul Bogle.
Yeah.
Sam Sharp.
Yeah. Yeah, no,
Sam Sharp. I have, is it counting now?
no man, go on.
Sam Sharp.
Mm-hmm. Yes, and I'm a Manley. Mm-hmm.
Yes, at 5 dots.
Mm-hmm.
Alright,
That's fine.
shoot. May I try to think?
Yeah, you know the two which
No,
now?
match I think.
May I try to think about the money then? The fund
Yeah.
and chairs and again, but nobody from Ireland last them, so.
Well, when you have two other tries, so that's why if you know.
And I'm more.
You want to finish it?
Yeah.
Alright, guys, do what we can.
Just do it.
No, you don't have no lifeline.
Can you tell him? Are we do that?
Alright, so I'm just going to move on. Can you get others? Yeah, get others. So your question. Who was the first national hero? Simple thing that.
Is that male or female?
Male.
Male. Shit. What's a bubble?
You know the answer?
Marcus?
Yes, Marcus. Not you know yes question. I would do a say no. Alright, so your question. Which prime minister was also a hero?
Number money.
No.
Songster, something songster.
Only time about mom.
No,
Alexander Buster.
That I try to remember.
Oh, so you want the next one to add?
Yes.
Oh.
Your question, no. Which national hero is on the $5 coin?
It's been $5?
Only the spelling hero?
But
It's $5,000.
I think $5,000 should ask such a
No, $5.
Jesus Christ.
Now who work for the credit,
So
guys?
much wrong answer. We can only one right?
No, man.
We can try that?
Yeah.
So my turn?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not money?
Yes. One question you guys already? Two? Alright, so you just need one more right.
One more.
And you need two more right. Alright, so your question now. Which national hero was also a Baptist deacon?
Sam Sharp.
No.
Paul Bogle.
That's the answer.
It's Paul Bogle. They don't know that. Paul Bogle.
Alright, so you get two right now. You
One
still
and
get
one.
two right. Your time. What the hell? Two ready? Alright. Which money is Sam Sharp on?
$50.
She gets her credit. Your time now.
Not easy.
Which national hero was born in St. Anne?
Daniel and
Male.
St. Anne?
Can I get this? Me get one more question.
What's the one?
Marcus Garvey. Next question though, I'm just a girl to bonus of being good spirits.
Yes.
Who is on the $1 coin? Is that?
What's the one?
Yes.
Yes. She know her money though. Me know my money. They know my money.
Alright, hold on. Did you sell two or which one?
Did you say that?
Alright. So that guys.
Ready?
First question. How many national heroes / heroine does Jamaica have? Or you want to do it, you want to tell him the answer them if you know them?
Like stay from running and help him.
I can leave it here as a two. Anyway.
Oh yeah, Tony, you know what
Yeah, I know
team?
can do it as a team.
And discuss.
6? That's your answer, 6?
Anything you say.
Alright, that's
Shy.
7.
She's
Alright, so
shy.
you have 4 more chances to answer 3. Who was the first national hero? Which one? Or one out of the two of them. So you see she give you 2 now, so you choose which one. Yes, Marcus Garvey is our first national hero. Alright, which national hero is on the $5 coin? That's your answer? Who they on the $5 coin? I be a big money on the spend. Only got no $5 behind them. No, Norman Manley. Alright, so just get them two here now. Which national hero was also a Baptist deacon? Let's take a guess. Paul Bogle. You remember? Alright, I'm give you another money one. Which money is Sam Sharp on? Yes. Yes, you get that right. So, alright, because you know, really a good sport, I'm going to ask you one more question. And if you get it, I'll give you the credit card. Only two you get right so far. So, here's another question. Which prime minister was also a hero? Norman Manley, why your answer? They're going now. Alexander Bustamante. But thanks for trying though, guys. Thanks for trying. Alright. How many national heroes, including the heroine, does Jamaica have?
7.
Correct. Man, I see my paper, you know. Who was the first national hero?
Marcus Garvey.
No, sir. Yes, that's correct. That's correct. Which national hero is on the $5 coin? I know you not spend that money there. Think about it.
A $5 coin. You know, the $1 coin is Alexander. The $5 coin is not Sam Sharp.
No.
Sam Sharp is the $50.
Yes.
And then Nanny. Nanny
No.
have $500.
Everybody know that nanny there.
Is it Norman Manley?
I know I'm not get it right.
Alright!
I'm not get it right. You know God. Alright, much good stand up, my God. 3. Which national hero was also a Baptist deacon?
Is that Paul Bogle?
Correct.
Hey.
Last question. Which national hero was born in St. Anne?
Yeah, no.
You win the credit already, still, you know. This is just bonus.
St. Anne. Oh, is
Yeah,
it
good.
Marcus Garvey?
How many national heroes does Jamaica have?
Trick question.
Including the heroine.
Okay.
I know, God say I know. 7.
Yes. So may I tell you about them people you do are you with them act like them not know, you know?
No,
And them a shut up the test then.
You see one of the Econ 1000.
Alright.
I'm a lecturer here, young field.
This is at this point.
Who was the first national hero? You want to use a lifeline?
Lifeline include Google.
Wait.
No.
First
Who not the
national
lifeline? What's your about Googling? Who?
Marcus.
Yes. You don't even need him.
Exactly.
Marcus Garvey is correct. Alright. Which national hero is on the $5 coin? Watch out. Who are $5?
Sam Sharp? No. Wait.
You know what, sir? You know what? Ask about $500.
I know them money they want to spend.
Ask about $500.
And $5,000. We don't use the little $5 no more.
Wait.
Feel like a assumption.
Wait there.
Yeah, me I wait.
Assumption.
So his lifelines are saying Sam Sharp.
I did right.
So who is the answer?
Sam Sharp.
For the $5 coin.
Yeah.
So who they on the $50?
$50. Man, 2 of them favor, you know. 2 of them are cousin. Nobody can tell me no. 2 of them are cousin.
Sam Sharp for the $50.
If I know Sam, that means Buster.
Norman Manley is on the $5 coin. But we not spend them money there now. But that's fine. You get 2 already. So you just need 1 more. Which national hero was a Baptist deacon?
Baptist Deacon. Paul Bogle.
Correct. Alright, so you just have 1 more question, but you already win the credit. You just want to see if you get 4 out
I
of
use
5.
chip, you know, they say I wear spot, you know.
What?
I don't use chip. Best I get it.
Oh, well, you can't be a lifeline. Which national hero was born in St. Anne?
St. Anne. A judge.
Marcus Garvey. But you get 3 out of 5, so you do get the credit. Which one you on? Lime digital?
Digital.
Woo. There you have it, guys. So a lot of persons did indeed got them correct, and they have gotten their credits, and they are super happy, and they have now joined the lab squad. As you can see, Marcus Garvey is also a part of the lab squad. So what are you guys waiting for? Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.